Gen 4 Glock 17. What we're going to do, we're going to take the slide off. We're going to disassemble the slide. We've always cleaned the lower, the barrel, and the extractor spring, but today we're going to clean the slide, the striker firing pin, the extractor plunger, and the safety extractor push pin. I'm going to disassemble, take out the magazine, make sure it's all clear. Okay. Pull the trigger, release, remove the slide. Since we're going to do the slide, we're going to put the lower over here out of the way, and then we're going to disassemble guide rod, Gen 4 dual recoil spring, barrel, slide, and right here there's a cup that you can see. We're going to hook on to right here, and when I do that, the back plate right here will come loose. Okay, see? But I'm going to leave my finger right here to make sure that the striker fire pin does not come flying out. You heard it clip, and there's the back plate. So then we'll release. What we're going to do, we're going to move the striker pin just like so. Okay, we're going to move the extractor plunger right here. It was in the hole right there. The plunger, striker plunger safety, push it in, the side plate falls right out. Then you can just reach right in here, pull this out. So now we take our Q-tip, some rubbing alcohol. You want this all dry. You don't want oil all up in here in the striker, and you want to be able to clean all this out right here, and then put some rubbing alcohol on the end of your Q-tip, and you're going to go all inside and clean all this out. And as you can see, I had plenty of residue inside. Got some rubbing alcohol, clean the push safety spring, cleaned and dried the striker fire pin, the extractor plunger, clean it. Went ahead and cleaned and moved the dual recoil spring, barrel, and the slide itself. To assemble back, we're going to go back, we're going to put this spring in first. Slide it in. It can only go in one way. You push, as you push this in, you just push this all the way down, and you can see how it opens up, and you're going to slide this in and release. Now it's in there. Then we'll put the extractor spring back in, spring side up, kind of like this. Okay, we're going to put the firing pin, striker fire pin back in. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to push this down with my finger, and then I'm going to hold it with the screwdriver. Okay, as I hold it down, I'm going to go ahead and push the slide back on. Okay, the slide is partially holding the striker pin back in. I haven't pushed the extractor plunger back in yet. To push the extractor plunger back in, I'm going to get my screwdriver that I used right here to hold this little cup that's right there. Pull back. I'm going to push that extractor plunger all the way in. Now it catches, and then you'll hear it snap as I pushed it in. Bam. Okay? So now we're going to put, after we clean the inside of all that, put the barrel back in. Make sure there's no gun residue or fuzz or anything from the Q-tips in there. It's kind of hard to tell on this light that I'm using. Reassemble. Okay. Still empty. Back together. Good to go. And that's how you clean the slide inside a Glock.